Choosing the perfect circular saw feels overwhelmingly confusing when blade size, amp ratings, worm drive versus sidewinder, and cordless versus corded options flood every single buying decision simultaneously. Brushless versus brushed, 40 volt versus 18 volt, we completely understand that frustration. After rigorous real-world testing, finding your ideal circular saw finally feels straightforward and genuinely rewarding. All of the product links are in the description below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for updated videos. Now, let's get started. Number 5 on our list, Metabo HPT7S B3 Circular Saw. Budget circular saws rarely earn professional awards. This one did. Metabo HPT was named Best Corded Budget Circular Saw for pros, delivering 6,000 revolutions per minute through a 15-amp motor that outpaces Bosch CS10, DEWALT 575, and CRAFTSMAN 500 on raw blade speed. You cut OSB, LVL, plywood, and framing lumber quickly without bogging under demanding load conditions. A heavy-duty one-piece aluminum die-cast base provides rock-solid stability and accurate scale readings on both front and side simultaneously. Single-handed bevel adjustment reaches 55 degrees, surpassing DEWALT's 57-degree capacity, while requiring zero awkward repositioning mid-cut. An integrated dust blower continuously clears your cut line for unobstructed, accurate tracking across every material. An onboard cord holder keeps the power cable safely away from the blade during cutting, a genuinely unique feature competitors skip entirely. What we love most is 6,000 revolutions per minute at a budget price point that competitors simply cannot match. 4. CRAFTSMAN CMS 500 Circular Saw. Reliable everyday cutting performance doesn't demand a premium tool budget. CRAFTSMAN delivers a 13-amp motor spinning at 5,300 revolutions per minute, handling crosscuts, rip cuts, and bevel angles across common lumber sizes without hesitation. You power through 2x4, 2x6, and 2x8 framing material cleanly on every pass without stalling or binding during standard construction tasks. A contoured overmolded handle fits naturally in the hand, reducing fatigue during extended cutting sessions compared to hard grip competitors in this price range. Spindle lock enables quick, tool-free blade swaps using the included hex wrench stored directly on the saw body. The bevel shoe pivots smoothly to 45 degrees with clearly visible angle markings, covering virtually every common angled cut encountered on home improvement projects. A 7 1/4 inch 18-tooth carbide-tipped blade handles crosscuts, rips, and rough finish work right out of the box. What we love most is the CRAFTSMAN brand's reliability at an entry-level investment most budget competitors cannot honestly claim. Plastic blade guard shows vulnerability under repeated heavy-duty use compared to metal alternatives on DEWALT and Metabo HPT models. Choose CMS 500 when dependable. Everyday cutting at an accessible investment defines your priority. Next, number 3. Skil 5080. Lightweight circular saws usually sacrifice power, and Skil refuses that compromise entirely. Skil 5080 packs a 13-amp motor spinning at 5,300 revolutions per minute into a body 15% lighter than its predecessor, giving DIY users genuine cutting capability without exhausting arm fatigue. You slice through plywood, 2x4 framing lumber, shelving, and trim work without the motor bogging under consistent cutting pressure throughout extended sessions. A 51-degree bevel capacity with a positive stop at 45 degrees gives you more angular flexibility than competing budget models from CRAFTSMAN and Metabo HPT offer at comparable prices. Integrated dust blower continuously clears the cut line, keeping your sight line unobstructed across every rip and crosscut you make. Spindle lock combined with onboard wrench storage makes blade changes fast and genuinely tool-free without hunting for misplaced hardware mid-project. A dust port accepts standard vacuum connections, offering cleaner workspace management that most similarly priced competitors simply overlook entirely. Rubberized ergonomic grip reduces vibration transfer during all-day cutting sessions without causing uncomfortable hand fatigue. What we love most is how confidently this lightweight saw handles repetitive full-sheet ripping tasks without slowing or overheating during sustained use. Number 2. Bosch CS10. German engineering precision just arrived at a remarkably accessible price point. Bosch CS10 delivers a powerful 15-amp motor at 5,600 revolutions per minute alongside a premium magnesium footplate, a combination that competing mid-range saws from CRAFTSMAN and Skil simply cannot replicate at identical pricing. You cut through dense hardwoods, dimensional lumber, and plywood with consistently smooth passes that rival saws costing significantly more than this mid-range model. A magnesium base plate provides the lightest, most durable foundation available on any circular saw, ensuring accurate tracking without warping or flexing over years of demanding use. Bevel capacity reaches 56 degrees, with positive detents at 22.5 and 46 degrees, covering every common angled cut encountered during framing, finish, and furniture work. Patented housing louvers increase motor ventilation, keeping internal temperatures lower during extended cutting sessions and extending overall motor lifespan noticeably. An integrated dust blower combined with right-side blade orientation gives unobstructed cut line visibility throughout every straight and angled pass. Onboard wrench storage and a carrying bag make transport and blade changes fast, without any additional equipment required. A plastic housing arm connecting the motor to the base plate introduces slight flex during aggressive angled cuts at steeper bevel settings. Now, we present to you our best overall product. Number 1. DEWALT DW-E575 Circular Saw. Lightweight construction and professional performance rarely share the same circular saw, until now. DEWALT DW575 delivers a 15-amp motor at 5,200 revolutions per minute inside a magnesium shoe body weighing just 8.8 pounds, making it one of the lightest contractor-grade saws currently available on any job site. You cut framing lumber, plywood, exterior siding, and trim materials with precise, consistent results, validated by professional carpenters who replaced previous brand favorites with this specific model. The electric brake stops the spinning blade within 2 seconds of releasing the trigger, a critical safety feature absent on Metabo HPTC 7SP3 and Bosch CS10 competing models at similar prices. Best-in-class 57-degree bevel capacity with positive detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees handles virtually every compound angle encountered during finished carpentry, roofing, and framing applications. An integrated dust blower clears your cut line continuously, while a large viewing window in the shoe assembly provides superior sightline visibility compared to competitors' narrow with smaller observation slots. Onboard blade wrench storage prevents hunting for misplaced hardware during mid-project blade swaps on busy job sites. What we love most is how DW575 ships perfectly square right out of the box. Zero setup adjustment required before first use. No laser guide leaves users relying entirely on manual cut line alignment compared to Skil 5080 and Ryobi models, offering integrated laser systems. Choose DW575 when professional-grade lightweight construction, electric brake safety, and DEWALT's proven job site reliability define your perfect circular saw.